Hello, this is Alisha McFarland from AlishaMcFarland.com. The holiday season is fast approaching, and it's a great time to update your website so it can attract and convert more customers. In this video, I will show you how to use holiday hero images effectively to increase holiday conversions on your website. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Holiday hero images are large, attention-grabbing visuals that set the tone for your website during the holiday season. Just like artwork in a home or an office, a well-chosen holiday hero image instantly transforms your website, making it more engaging and inviting to your visitors. But the real magic happens in your conversion rates. Studies show that websites with holiday hero images can see up to a 30% increase in conversions during the holiday season. Why are holiday hero images so important? Well, they create an immediate visual impact. They capture your visitors' attention, making it crystal clear that your website is in sync with the festive spirit. A well-designed hero image can evoke emotions, spark excitement, and ultimately drive more conversions. One of the key benefits of holiday hero images is that they help create a festive atmosphere on your website. Whether it's Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other holiday, your imagery can immerse visitors in the celebration. For instance, if you're selling gifts, your hero image might showcase a gift guide, beautifully wrapped presents, or holiday gift bundles. Another crucial point to note is that holiday hero images can build trust and credibility. Customers are more likely to engage with a website that looks well prepared for the season. It gives the impression that your business is active, current, and trustworthy. But let's not forget the power of promotions. Your holiday hero image is an excellent place to promote your special holiday offers, discounts, and deals. It's the first thing that visitors are probably going to see, and it makes it a prime location for grabbing their attention and encouraging them to explore your holiday offerings. And here's a pro tip. Ensure that your holiday hero image is consistent across all of your online platforms. Your website, social media profiles, and email newsletters should ideally have a unified look and message. And don't forget about mobile users. With the increasing use of smartphones every day, it's crucial to optimize your holiday hero image for mobile devices. Make sure it scales well and looks just as enticing on smaller screens. Now let's talk about measuring success. Once you've decided on and updated your holiday hero image, use analytics tools to track the impact. Look at metrics like conversion rates, bounce rates, and engagement levels to see how effective your holiday imagery is in driving results. As we wrap up today's video, remember that holiday hero images are a fantastic tool for increasing holiday conversions on your website. They create an inviting atmosphere, build trust, promote offers, and leave a lasting impression on your visitors. So if you haven't already, start planning your holiday hero images now. Get creative, embrace the holiday spirit, and watch your website conversions increase as this holiday season gets underway. Is your website ready for the holidays? My latest downloadable ebook, Create a Holiday Ready Website in 3 Easy Steps, will be available for purchase on October 1st, 2023. Learn how to make simple changes before the holiday rush that will help your website visitors become happy holiday customers. Click on the link to sign up to be on the waitlist. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. If you would like to do a deeper dive into how your website can do more for your business, please visit my website at AlishaMcFarland.com. Have a great day.